Guys, we're trying something different here today. Drift fishing. There's a channel cat. One channel cat this morning. He's not huge. But that worked, didn't it, Woody?
Yes, sir, it did.
We're doing, we gotta show them what you got here. Just got a rod, just a spinning rod with a Kell hook. And there he is, little 1 pounder. That's all right. Try something new. You just never know what you're gonna get into. Just trying different things. Let's let him go. See ya. Guys, we are using Kool-Aid. What type Kool-Aid is it?
Cherry Kool-Aid.
Cherry Kool-Aid?
Okay, it's actually Jello.
Jello Kool-Aid. Cherry Jello,
yeah.
Excuse me. Okay, I'll get it right.
A little bit of
Woody made it up last night.
Garlic powder and just some chicken breast cut up.
Okay. Chicken breast, garlic powder, Jello, cherry.
Yeah.
Now that's a combination. Let's do it again. There you go. Fish on, guys. Second one. One thing about it, that's a nice channel there, a lot nicer. Yeah, grab the leader line and pull him in. There he is. All right. Another channel. All right, guys. Pretty decent channel. We're going to let him go. That's the second one. We're on a Chickamauga Dam, or below Chickamauga Dam, and I say we don't have a sinker on it at all. Let me grab this line here. Sorry, guys. We're on Chickamauga Dam. We don't have a sinker on it at all. It's just a Kell hook with a piece of chicken on it and a swivel. That's a 40-pound leader, about 2 foot long, down to 8-pound lines. So that's what we're doing, just throwing it out there and let it drift down through here. See if we can get another one. But Woody's become the king of the drift. See how much easier that is?
Oh yeah.
Trying to pick it up hard like he's doing it the hard way. Finally. That's, oh Lord have mercy, what a fish. Woo! Guys, that is a fish. Right there, a good fish. That's a trophy, buddy. We'll weigh this and get a real quick picture of it and get him back out. Oh!
Easy there, man. Alright, got a hook on the floor.
Alright, he's got messed up the scales now. $21.
Thought he's a little bigger.
Yeah. I tell you, that's a nice fish, guys. Man, he don't like nobody. I don't blame him. Folks, he splashed the camera. He splashed me. And he's ready to go. Get on back yonder for somebody else to catch. Turn over. There you went. Good, I think we got good in here. Let's see what
Complain about the current today.
Yeah. He's got some head shaking going on, don't he? It's our third stop.
Mm-hmm.
Third stop. First stop we got ran off by dang. What did I tell you they were? Gar, yeah. Was in the Gar hoe. Sorry guys, I can't remember my name. Second one called a 21, and now we got another one going. Let me get the. Me not having a rod, I can't tell you, but
He's fighting like he's a big one. Or he's got some grit.
like I say, guys, we're just, and I know that wind's bad. We're in a bad windy spot here, but we are fishing for a tournament on Saturday. We're just catching one fish at each spot and moving. We're going to move again once we get this one in. If you want to step back here right there. And once we get this one in, we're going to move again. Woody, why is it rod holders I always want to hook my net in them? Every time. Have you got a monster?
He ain't ready.
You think he's 20?
I
You don't want to say, do you? You don't want to say, do you?
Flathead.
Oh, a pretty flathead. Oh, that's a nice flathead. Well, bring him on back in here. There you go.
Oh,
Nice
boy.
little tail slap right there, Tim.
Oh, let me give you some.
We've done the trifecta today,
Yeah.
Woody. Guys, that tournament is going to be giving points. You get 5 extra points if you get a, let me turn that. Guys, the tournament that we're fishing Saturday, you get 5 extra points if you do the trifecta. That's a channel cat,
Man, he's hooked way up.
yeah, we'll get it. It's a channel cat, a blue, and a flathead. Well, we've caught that so far. Nice little 5-pounder Woody caught. Just dropping it off right down in there. And there he goes. Guys, man, I got one rod out and that was it.
Sorry. I'm back here stretching my back out.
Oh, I'm just saying that was crazy how fast it worked. Feel pretty good. Yeah, it was pulling drag like nobody's business. About the stiffness on that rod, it's a lot stiffer, ain't it? But it's still bowling good. Just take your time. Hang on just a second. Hang on just a second. Bring your rod up. All right, now come around. You're good. He's digging. All right, you'll have to step back now for me to boat him. Well, you ought to like that boat. It's nearly new.
Holy crap.
Just hold him. Don't force him. He's that big. Oh yeah, see, he's pulling drag. Guys, this is a good fish right here. Because I'm pretty sure I set the drag on that pretty decent while ago. Alright. He's still. It's probably, it may be a flathead because I threw it over there close to the bank over there.
Whoa.
There you go. Just take your time. If he's pulling drag, just let it go. He's pulling drag. That's why you want 40-pound test right there, my friend. Go ahead. Reel down to him. There you go. He's got to be coming up here in a minute. He felt like he was right there, but look, he's way out there.
Yeah.
He probably was at one time and took off. Guys.
There he is.
Oh, look at there.
Big
Nice
boy.
blue. Nice blue. Nice blue. We were pre-fishing for Saturday. I wish today was Saturday. Nice blue. Right into the net.
Thank you.
Right into the net, guys. I don't know if that showed on video, but he was heading to take off again. And he swam right into the net. Whew. Oh, there we go. That's a 20-pounder anyway. I'm going to have to tighten that drag just a little bit probably, but that's still, I mean, you want to pull drag.
Yeah. It's breaking.
That's probably going to be 25. Probably going to be 25. I don't know. Ah!
He peed on me.
Heck with a pee, and he about broke my wrist.
Hold that. Look at the
Yeah.
wires right there.
Oh, there they are. Don't say chicken too loud.
Oops, oops.
Hush with that chicken talk. Did you see that fall out?
He could have spit that out.
Yeah.
Hold on one second. Okay.
That's why we like to keep pressure on. There we go. Oh, we got another one. Oh man, that one just went off hard. Just as he may come back. I think we're in them right here. That's a nice blue right there.
Yeah.
We're gonna weigh him just see what he weighs. All right, what's it say?
23 pounds.
23 pounds. Goodness gracious.
Between 22, it was between 22 and 24. So I said,
Yeah, 23 and 24. All right, guys.
All right.
Whew. That's a fish. All right. All right, guys, we're gonna let him go for somebody else to catch as always.
It slid off.
Ooh, don't let him get by.
See you, buddy.
Ooh, he just almost got away. He just sort of slowing away like I'm mad. Give me, here you go. Give me some fire.
Good job.
Guys, you see all them rods? Those are the ones that didn't get put out yet.
One per hole.
All right, guys, last few places we stopped, we didn't catch another one. Like I say, we were just pre-fishing for a tournament day. Every hole we just caught one fish, went somewhere else, but hey, I think we had a good day, don't you?
We did too, besides the temperature being 1,000,000 degrees.
Oh my God, it was hot out there, guys. We fished for bait till 11:30 and then didn't start catching catfish till after that. So the worst time of day, but we did pretty good. Caught 5 fish. So, all right, guys, hit that subscribe button and share our videos and like them. And if there's anything you ever want to see, send us a message. We'd be glad to try to do it for you. Till then, it's Daryl and Woody, and we'll catch you next time.